A3 paddock where, well, as you can see behind me, there's a crap load of supercars parked up. There's some Liberty Walk bunch of luggage over there. There's a cheeky little 550 here. Oh, here we go. A Porsche 918. Just casually. There we go. Aventador SV. Aventador. Liberty Walk Aventador. Another SV. F12. Super Trofeo. What else have we got here? Huracan Spider. GTR. We've got another Huracan Spider over there. The 570S here. We've got a Speciale here with the Italian stripe. Pretty Alpha 8C. We've got Aston Martin V12 Vantage S. Another Speciale, Huracan, Mansory Aventador, another Aventador, a freaking 6x6, as you do. Look at the size of this thing. It's inflating his tires. That's mad. 300 SL, Goldwing of course, and a Dino. So this is what we are working with. Over here, we've got some other classic supercars, well I say classic, older supercars lined up. So we've got all the Countachs here, all the 25th anniversary ones. There's a QV, here you go, SE30 Diablo, Jota, probably my favorite Diablos ever, meaning one of my favorite Lamborghinis. There's this thing here, says an SV, probably is, much like an LP640, and then we've got the Aventador here, so it's got the whole generation lineup. We've got the Ferraris here, it's California, 599 with the gold wheels. We've got F430 here, Scuderia. There is a Challenge Stradale, 355. Lots of 355. And we got a 328. The Daytona Spider. Yes. Of course. All these Dinos here. One Dino. Three Dinos. And this was from Tokyo. VB9. Crazy Bentley. GD40. Corvette. It's a Corvette with NSX headlights. Then you've got some Detsons. Here we go. This is the time travel parking. So I guess these are where all the old cars are. There we go. Honda S500, no, S800. 600, sorry. And then this is the 500. There we go, the grill. Some more old Hondas here. It's a Datsun. Fair lady. Here we go. Sierra, close with it. So cool, so cool. Look at all these Nissans. All these Nissans. Lining them up. Lining them up. There's the Sylvia. Pretty Sylvia, actually. Go. Some more Skylines and GTRs. So many. Sea of holy shit. It's a silver 2000 GT. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay. Sleepers. More. Oh, Camry. Freaking awesome. there's more over there. It's a 356. 12 works here. 280 SL, as you do. Ford GT. I wonder if it's a legit one. Oh yeah, it's a reproduction. Dollar replica. Very cool. Carrera. RS. Up there. Oh. Goodness. Some old Citroens. There we go. Bambina. Oh, for that terrible Italian accent. There you go. Here are all the Italians. Alphas. Alphas. Some more Alphas. Look at them all. Look at them all. So pretty. Woo! Di Tommaso. And of course, Ferrari. I mean, what else would there be? Wait, how? Monkeys on a bike. Okay. Very cool. Okay, we're here behind the pit garages. Carrera GT over there. Very cool. Okay. Let's see what else we've got here. There we go. P1 here. All white. Nismo GTR. And attack pack. There we go. Freaking awesome. Casual P1. Got a Lola here. Let's go away. Very cool. Look at it running. Got this Porsche here. Okay, we're here at the Bingo Collection Garage. The F40 here. The F187 F1 Plus here. The DB6? There's DB6. What is this? Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, of course, there's 959s here. Got the CSL Batmobile here. We've got the Pagani's all lined up here. I mean, it's only been a week since I've seen them last, but here they all are. Again. Pretty awesome. Purple Ghost, Mansory wheels. This is where we'll have lunch. And then you've got the casual Aperta Speciale combo here. This is the one with the mad wheels. Look at those mad wheels. Rims, bro. Still got the Pagani Reduno stuff on it.